In today's video, you're going to learn why you should use email marketing to grow your business and why you may want to consider it as a service that you offer to your clients. My business partner, Jeanne, has had email marketing clients for over a decade. And why do they stay with her so long? Because email marketing works. So if you're thinking about adding a profitable service to your business where the clients will stay with you year after year, you definitely want to consider email marketing. I'm going to wrap this video up today with a guide that will teach you everything you need to know about email marketing. So stay tuned for that. If you're a virtual assistant, freelancer, or social media marketer, make sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. All of our videos are about helping you start and grow a successful business. Hi, my name is Kirsten Graham. Along with my business partner, Jeanne Willson, we own Six Figure Business Coaching, and we like to help women take control of their time and their income. And we're so excited that you're here today. I'd like to start off today talking about why email marketing is so valuable. And I'm going to share some information from Russell Brunson's book, .com Secrets. If you do not have this book, it's a fantastic book and I highly recommend you get it. In Russell's book, he talks about how important it is to build your email list. And he talks about 3 different types of traffic. And when he uses the word traffic, he's kind of talking about prospects. But I'm going to use his language today and refer to it as traffic. He says there's traffic that you do not control, and that is people who find your social post or maybe who are referred to you. You have no control over the fact that those people may or may not find you. The second type of traffic is traffic you control, and that's traffic where you're spending money on Facebook ads or Google ads. The more money you spend, the more traffic you can bring into your business. And that's kind of a game of whoever has the most money wins. So if you have 2 businesses that are competing and they have the very same target market, the person who can really spend the most on ads is going to end up dominating that market. But the third type of traffic Russell talks about is traffic that you own, and that's your list. And the reason why he refers to it as traffic that you own or prospects that you own is because you can email market to them at any time. They've given you permission to email them, so you can send them great content. You can reach out to them as often as you like. And again, you don't have to pay for ads and you don't have to sit around with your fingers crossed just hoping people will find you. So building your email list is extremely important. If you think about it this way, the number of people on your email list can really help dictate the amount of income you make. If you want to make more money, get more people onto your email list and then email market to them consistently and add great value. What is the true ROI of email marketing? Email marketing's power lies in the ability to provide businesses of all sizes an attractive return on investment. In fact, according to an eMarketer study, the median email marketing ROI is 122%. That's 4 times higher than any other digital marketing channel. Can you imagine that? 4 times higher than other digital marketing channels. I think that's just amazing. Before we move on, comment below with Build My List if you see the value in building an email list and marketing consistently to your clients. As a social media manager or freelancer, every business owner you come in contact with should be added to your email list. And then you want to consistently market to them with content that adds value to them. And I'm going to give you some examples. The first example is you could talk about a software that you really love. So for example, LastPass. You could say something like, LastPass is this amazing software that allows you to store all of your passwords in one very secure place. I've been using it for years. I love it. It's how I store my passwords and the passwords of all of my clients. If you're not using a software to protect your passwords, I would really recommend that you check out LastPass. Here's the link below. Something like that. It's very simple, but you're giving them information about a tool that they may want to try and use in their own business. You're adding value to their business, so to speak. The second idea is if you find a fantastic article, let's say an entrepreneur magazine, you could actually share that article with them and start off by telling them a little bit about it. Like, oh my gosh, I read this article and I had no idea, ABC. It was just really enlightening for me. And I thought you might find this article interesting as well. So again, sharing an article with them and giving a little bit of your opinion and just saying, here, I want to share this with you because it may help your business. And the third one is you can share original content. You could share your blog post, you could share your videos. By consistently email marketing to them, you're building the relationship. You're showcasing your knowledge and your work ethic. Think about it. When you meet a business owner, they may or may not need your service right then. But by staying in contact with someone who doesn't need your service right away, it allows the relationship to blossom. It allows them to get to know you. It allows them to see how consistent you are. And when they do need your services, you're going to be top of mind and they're going to reach out to you and hire you. I personally believe that every business should build an email list and start email marketing. But so many business owners do not want to do their own email marketing. Even if you show them the amazing ROI on email marketing, they don't have time or they don't understand it or they just don't know what to send out. And that's where you come in if you decide to offer email marketing as a service. You can sit down with a client and you can talk about their goals to build their email list. You can talk to them about the type of content you can put together for them. You can help them decide how often will they email. Emails often go out daily, weekly, or monthly. And when I said daily, you might be thinking, oh my gosh. But think about some of the stores that are in your area. If you signed up for their email list or their reward program, they often email daily. Our clients often start off with once a month, but eventually they'll go to once a week, because the return on investment is so huge. And once you help your clients understand all of the knowledge that they have and how important it is for them to share that knowledge with their clients, they really do see that they can add value and build relationships by email marketing on a regular basis. And the best part about offering email marketing as a service is you end up with clients that are with you for years. Think about that. You get the client and they're happy with your service year after year. So an email marketing client gives you money month after month, year after year. And the longer you work with the client, the easier it gets. You get to know them better. They get to know you. Finding their content becomes easier for you. So it really is a win-win. If you'd like to learn more about email marketing, in the description below, we have a link for Master Email Marketing to Triple Your Income. So go to the description below, click the link, and get that incredible guide if you're really serious about learning about email marketing. We talk about email marketing services that you can use like ConvertKit, Canva, MailChimp. We also talk about how to find content for your clients. It's got all kinds of amazing information that can help you, whether you're just building your own email list and marketing for yourself or whether you've decided to offer it as a service. Hey, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post a new video. Have a great day and remember, dream big.